Welcome friends. Today we have seen the next point of the igneous petrology. In this we have see today the textures of igneous rock. What is meant by texture? Texture means the internal mutual arrangement of mineral grains with respect to size and shape in the rock mass. This texture is dependent on the cooling condition of the magmatic material. In the last lecture, we have seen the three different kinds of igneous rock, that is the extrusive igneous rock, intrusive igneous rock and hypabyzal igneous rock. That means on the cooling condition of that magmatic material, texture is also different. Means when in extrusive igneous rock, the texture of magmatic material is very fine because its cooling condition is very rapid, while within the great depth in earth crust there is intrusive igneous rock, that is the plutonic igneous rock is formed. That plutonic igneous rock having the texture is very large grains, that is the coarse grains texture is formed. And in hypabyzal igneous rock, that is the medium sized grains is formed because of cooling condition of magmatic material is like this. In plutonic rock, because of the very slow cooling, very coarse grained material is formed, while in the hypabyzal igneous rock this cooling condition is relatively cool. Because of this, fine grained or relatively medium sized grains are formed of the minerals. Look at this. We have see this texture having the different types, that is the crystallinity of the textures. Crystallinity of the textures, in which there are three main types, that is the hollow crystalline, second one is the halohaline, and third one is the merocrystalline. Depend upon the cooling condition. Hollow crystalline having the all the magmatic material is formed large crystals. Means look at this, such a type of crystals is nothing but hollow crystalline textures, while in the halohaline means here no any crystal is formed, only fine grains is formed, that is the halohaline. While in merocrystalline texture, partly large crystals and partly fine crystals both are in one rock mass, that is the merocrystalline texture. Depend upon the crystallinity, there are three texture, that is the halohaline, holocrystalline and merocrystalline textures. Now in next we have see depend upon the size of the grains, these are the also coarse grained, fine grained and medium grained textures. These three texture is also dependent on the cooling condition of magma. Coarse grained texture means such a type of texture, very large crystals, very large grains of the minerals which are formed below the earth surface at great depth because of the slow cooling of magma, such as the coarse grained textures, while fine grained texture is formed on the earth surface because of the rapid cooling of magmatic material. There has no time for the formation of crystal. That's why it forms very fine grains because of the rapid cooling of magmatic material. Very fine grained magmatic material is formed and rock mass is having very smooth texture, that is the very fine texture. While in the medium sized grains there are both the coarse as well as fine grained intermix, means medium sized grains are formed in the medium sized grains. That is these three textures is depend on the size of the magmatic material at the time of cooling of magma. Now next is the shape of the magmatic material, that is the grains depend upon the cooling condition. Shape is also different, that is the euhedral grains, subhedral grains and unhedral grains. In euhedral sized texture, these texture or these grains having the border is very definite, means border is looking like a very suitable. Such type of borders is in euhedral, means all the borders are create or all the borders are developed very well. Mostly such type of euhedral texture is found in the plutonic igneous rock. Because of the slow cooling of magma, such type of texture is formed in the plutonic igneous rock. While subhedral, in which the development of crystal is partly, one side is formed partly and other side is undeveloped. That's why it is called as a subhedral. Such type of grains are formed in hypabyzal igneous rock. While number third is the unhedral. Unhedral texture is formed in extrusive igneous rock, that is the volcanic igneous rock. That material is formed on the earth's surface. Because of the rapid cooling, there has no chance for the formation or there has no chance for the development of larger grains. That's why such type of grains, irregular shaped grains, are formed. These three textures are formed on the shape of the material. That's it.